Hello photography family, Todd Peak of Peak Photography, and I hope you're having a great day. Hey, did you just get a camera for Christmas? Maybe you got one for your birthday. If so, happy birthday. Or maybe you just went out and got a camera because you thought it would be fun. No matter the reason, I hope that you'll join me in this tutorial series. We're going to dig in deep. We're going to look at things like understanding the f-stop, understanding the ISO or the shutter speed. We're going to look at how those things work together. And if you just sat there thinking, I have no idea what those things are, that's okay. We're going to learn together. We're also going to be looking at different things like the focus modes on the camera, how you can get the sharpest image no matter what the situation. We're also going to be looking at so many different things, like getting out of the auto mode in the camera into the manual mode, or maybe even into some of the other modes of the camera. What those modes are and how those modes can help you take the best picture at that particular time. We're going to be looking at low light situations or really bright light situations. We're even going to go out and take field trips together. I'm going to be joined by some of my friends, amazing photographers and models in their own right. We're going to go out to sporting venues, concert settings. We're going to go out and do some wildlife and some landscape photography. And yes, we'll even go in studio and do some portrait sessions together. But those are going to be wonderful videos, and I look so forward to making those with my friends. Look, whatever the reason, the goal here is that we can learn together. I believe the greatest teacher is experience. Wayne Gretzky said, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. And he sounds like a photographer. You can't get the shot without taking the picture. So my desire, my goal, my hope is that as we learn together, it will inspire you to take your camera out and take more pictures. If that sounds good to you, would you subscribe to the channel? Maybe even like this video and share it with a friend. And hey, while you're at it, hit that little bell icon to be notified of new videos as they come out. It's going to be a wonderful series. I hope that you'll join me, and I hope that you'll share this with your friends. But most of all, I hope that you'll take this passion, this love for photography, and share it with me as we learn together. As always, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.